Okay, take two. I thought I was recording this whole fucking time. Alright, you guys, so, god damn it. Alright, so this is what I was saying on the fucking video. I was saying that, god damn it, I really gotta fucking explain myself again. God damn it. Ah, god, I fucking gotta explain everything again. It's fucking gay. Alright, so this Friday, we end up closing here. That blue line. Alright, so we end up closing in this blue line Friday. Monday we opened, we had a little dip, and we pumped, right? So to me, it didn't make sense. I was like, there's no news Monday. I mean, there is news Monday, but it's not that important. Tuesday, we got some actually important data. And Wednesday, we got Nvidia, which is going to then indicate to us where the market is going to tend to go, especially if we have good data on Wednesday, follow up by Thursday, and that's gonna leave the market really happy. Probably with Nvidia gonna Tuesday, if we have that good news, it's gonna push us up, close the all-time high regions, probably somewhere in this region here, bullshit here, maybe falling down Wednesday because we don't got no data on Wednesday. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market somewhat fell or had a little dip on trend, retracement on down Tuesday. Wednesday morning or night, and then Tuesday morning. Anyways, what's gonna matter? It's gonna be how we. Tuesday's gonna be your setup. Tuesday's gonna be your setup. So Tuesday is gonna set us up to be in this region. That way, Nvidia can finish it off by creating a new all-time high. And closing on these fucking closing on a new all-time high somewhere here, or close here on Tuesday. Just let me do this shit. Close here on Tuesday, and then maybe dip throughout the day somewhere here, and then Wednesday go back up here, and then Wednesday evening or 3 p.m. whatever be somewhere here or whatnot. But I can't really say where it's really gonna be closing till I see how we're looking at around 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow. Then I might have a better idea where the market's gonna end up closing or being at Tuesday evening or Wednesday or whatnot. And actually by 9 or 10 o'clock I should be seeing how the setup's gonna be looking for Wednesday. Um, so what I can focus on is pretty much right now. So seeing how we had no data on Monday really to move the market, I was hoping the market would fall down because first of all, if it went up, it'll be hard for me. My bad, you guys. So since we didn't have no data on on Monday, it didn't make sense to me why the market would then keep pushing on up, and so it didn't make sense. So then I was hoping then that we would have a withdrawal especially because the market is gonna be looking more towards Nvidia. Nvidia actually Tuesday is gonna be your setup for Wednesday, but Wednesday is gonna be the spark of where the market is going. Have you noticed? Every source is saying that Nvidia. So it didn't make sense why the market would then push on up Monday or Tuesday, or especially Monday with no data, and with our eyes on Wednesday. It'll make more sense to withdraw, have a little withdrawal, and then again with that hesitation, with the fear, with the hold up, you guys. Let's wait up till Wednesday. That with that fear, so it wouldn't make sense why the market would investor will come and move the market and push it on up or whatnot. So especially with this big ass move. Um, so even yesterday, I wasn't able to catch on the movie. I think I fell asleep before that. I think I fell asleep around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Um, but this would have been nice because it would have been an easy one, especially with this 12 o'clock move. Um, because we're close, it was inside this box, and I knew we were gonna again get trapped here in this region. Especially if we close here at 2, it would then give it one more try to go on up, and as you can see, we can go up into the market opening and gives it that crazy push. But again, just a fake out, and then there will be another move. If you were then waiting for the next move, you were waiting for this because I would expect the market to go on down. And so once it did, and I saw how it fell inside this box right here, which is then has this box inside of it, which then has this box. This calls like your core, your support cord. This would act like my second support cord. And the moment I started breaking this, I would have gone to sell because I knew from then it would be testing this box, which it would then have a break on up or get stuck in this region and keep on falling down. But the fact that I want to sleep, I got to work at 3, fell asleep at 4, and I was hoping it was gonna hold because that would make sense to me. Because if we would have dropped, we had think about it, we had since 8 in the morning yesterday. I mean today to drop this whole time, which would have been easy, especially with this big drop. The market tends to signal big dropping. So you would have had a bunch of traders panic with this and seller go on a sell. But me, since I knew today wasn't a big day, it wasn't like okay in hell I'm gonna go for a buy. No, it's not gonna move it on up because um, you still had all day. Like you wait. That's when you wait, especially when you know the next day there's more data, or that's the data that you are looking forward to. You want to wait till the evening to see if we continue on dropping or whatnot. So 6, 7. So the fact that from 8 o'clock to 7 we held this, and especially because Tuesday is your setup day for Nvidia, it'll make sense for me for the market to sustain this and then try going up. And again, as the data comes up, try one more time. And if it's good, it's gonna set up right here for the day most likely. Maybe even pushing it somewhere here, but closing the day here. And then that way, Tuesday we bullshit here, maybe dip down a little bit, create support here, going up again, or we hold here and slowly throughout the day we start breaking on up in this region right here. And but see, Nvidia earnings comes out after the market closes, so I wouldn't really see it um, rallying up throughout the morning, because what normally tends to rally up throughout the morning is when you have data coming up early at 5:30, and then the data comes out and the market just continues on the path. So the fact that the only thing that's going to be moving us is Tuesday data. Tuesday data is like, whereas if we get some sort of little bad news on Tuesday, that's gonna kind of scare the market a little bit. Maybe have a little withdrawal throughout the evening, but then again get neutralized as we get closer to Wednesday. But who knows? Because again, Nvidia's at the end of the day, so the market's gonna have a lot of time till then to to do what? To do nothing. So like it's anyways, I'm looking too much forward into that. So I told the homie either it's gonna create this, it's gonna do this, and going up here, it's 11:45, 12:30 again. That's the time that I told you guys is very important. So we want to hold 11:45, and you're gonna see this, yeah. Especially because you're seeing this. You see how it keeps on touching it, touching it, touching it, kind of like this right here. It was telling you a lot. Then it looks like a box right here and right here too. Yup, that's an ugly box. So it's a box right there. Yup, one right here. Beautiful box. So anyways, this was telling you like they want to push on up. It's gonna there's a 50 Fibonacci right here, so they're gonna have a hard time passing this, and most likely gonna close the day here if we do break. Close here at 2. Doing myself for. But anyways, in the morning. So yeah, close here at 2. Struggle, go back down. Bullshit in this area right here. I may just be waiting for 7. It's gonna be very volatile, you guys. It's gonna be very volatile, especially because again, because we have data. We got earnings after the market closes on Wednesday. So from here on, the only thing really pushing them up or keeping that little pushing up is Tuesday's data. I think it's gonna like consumer confidence. So anyways, yeah. We want to stay here 11:45, 12:30, so we can push it up, close here at 2. Bullshit in here. We, and then the data comes in at 7. So it's going to be very volatile, you guys. It's going to be very, very volatile. And something I want to point out on my indicator that's telling me another thing, the MAC. If you notice right here, when we had COVID, this was a high. Before COVID, this was a market. You see the highs that it had? We reached same area, never really above that. And then we come to the COVID season, little warnings, more warnings, and then finally the real shit. And then we had these big spikes. After that, we just had pretty much this. That was the normal now. No more down here. A lot of this. And then we have this one right here. Because it came in, we had 2 of them. We had the beginning, and then around 2022 again. And look, after 2022, every time we got inside this box right here, we then start peaking, especially not passing this area here. Just peaking. And right now, that's where we are. So either we're gonna hold this box, and if we do hold this box, because this is one for one, this is telling me that in the past there has been your dumping grounds. This has been your overbought. This has been your, hey, this is too much, man. This is too much because this is as far as we had gone in the past. So either with tomorrow news, it's gonna hold us here. Nvidia is either gonna save us, and then if we end up closing good, you guys, we're gonna create a new all-time high with this area here. If we start breaking above this, we're gonna have a crazy rally, or just going inside the box, we're gonna have a crazy rally. But if you start seeing this break on down and come into this region, that's more signal that we're gonna have a dumping. And if we do go down here, that's because probably Nvidia had bad earnings, and then Thursday and Friday were so bad. But yeah, 8 and a 12-hour candle, especially my 12-hour candle. 12-hour candle, that's a peak of it, see? That's the peak of it. And we're right there. So, and another thing is this indicator here. So with this indicator, whatever is above the line it's what's happening right now. So blue one means rally, rally means going up. Red one is showing you the strength of that rally, and the orange one is telling you downward. So since the blue line is above the white line, that's what it's telling you is happening. But when you get all these lines below this, that's because it's telling you there's a big move happening. There's a big move happening. You're gonna have some sort of shooting up, a rally, or you're gonna have a fucking a dump. So you see right here, all of a sudden they start getting tighter, and after that, the market has some sort of, mixture feelings. But all of a sudden we have a crazy rally, and look at the strength of that rally. All right. So as I went down, I was seeing how it's forming up. You see how you have both of them neutral, and when you think about it, when you see the actual graph, that's what's been happening. You have ups and down in the same area, so it makes sense for this to have both of them in the same area, showing you neutralness. But then you go to the daily, and you start seeing this, which tend to form to this, and then this happens, crazy rallying up, and then a crazy dump. But anyways, alright, so then you go to the 8, and then you go to the 4s, and you start seeing it again. Normally you see it on one candle, but the fact when you start seeing it on multiple candles, it's bigger signs that there's a big move happening. You see? Same thing. You get this shit right here, and you have a big explosion. Especially when you have them like this. See? Same thing. You see how start getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Yup, big move happening, you guys. Big move coming. And like I said, Tuesday's gonna be the setup. That's all it is. Tuesday's gonna be the setup. Alright, you guys. So, let me see anything else I want to show you guys. Alright, so that's all, you guys. I'll do a checkup. I'll try to do a checkup in the morning, or at nighttime, probably a screen record, do a short about it, do like a update on it. Alright. Alright, you guys. I'm out.